Hello guys, today we are watching CSGO Insane Clutches 2025. Okay, let's start. Oh my god, oh my god. It is incredible. Oh my god, oh my god, what a headshot. It is a very big moment. Oh my god. I don't believe it. I don't believe it, like a Terminator. Yes. He is huge moment. Oh my god. Yes. He is very patient. Oh my god. What? Yes. He is very silent. Yes. Very funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very cool moment. Very cool moment. I believe it. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Very clutch moments. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Very clever. Very clever. Very clever game. I love this game. Oh my god. He is very secret. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? What the fuck was that? I don't believe my eyes. Oh my god. Yes. Very nice moment. Very nice moment. I love it. Yes. 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 Oh my god. Very huge moment. I love it. Yes, very critical moment. Yes. He's waiting. Oh my god. Yes. He is very patient. He has a very patient. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Okay, what the fuck? What the fuck? I love this game. I love this game. Oh my god. Yes, very hard. Very hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very nice shoot. Very clear shoot. I love it. Yes. Yes. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. What a headshot. I'll believe it. Oh my god. It is very incredible moment. Very incredible moment. Yes. Yes. Very fast and clear. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Incredible. Incredible. I love it. Very nice. Oh my god. Yes, yes. Oh my god, what a poor. Yes, nice, clear. Very clear. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Yes. Very clear. Very nice shoot. Very clear shoot. Okay guys, thank you for watching me. Have a good day.